So approximately a month ago, um, there was a clown working at a circus. There was this guy, which his mom went to buy something. He went to inside a room that he saw. When he went inside, he saw 7 dead bodies. They were corpses, and he saw a clown at the corner of his eye waving at him. When he went outside of the room, everyone was dead. Um, People think he's just crazy because no one died actually. So he's in a mental hospital right now. This is what he saw: 7 dead bodies inside a dark room, where he saw the clown at the corner of his eye. As if you were listening, when he went outside, everyone was dead. But no one really died at all. So he's in a mental hospital today. He's saying he's not crazy, and he's not crazy. But people really think he's crazy, so maybe he is, maybe he's not. But right now, as far as we know, he is pretty crazy. So, yeah, we don't know if what this guy is saying is true, but yeah, he's crazy. Alright, so we need to cancel programming because, well, we don't really, but the emergency system needs to be activated. It is unknown why, but you will listen right now. So yeah, in a few seconds. Alright, the emergency alert system is activated now. This message has been transmitted at the request of NASA. Today, January 21st, 2027, at 3:28 p.m., a black hole has been spotted in our solar system. It will definitely consume Earth. Everyone needs to panic. Not panicking won't do anything. Don't stay calm. This message has been transmitted at the request of NASA. Today, January 21st, 2027, at 3:28 p.m., a black hole has been spotted in our solar system. It will definitely consume Earth. Everyone needs to panic. Not panicking won't do anything. Don't stay calm. Uh, 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 what's happening? I can't feel my body. Where are we? Where's everyone? Oh, there you are. Guys, what's happening? I can't feel my body. Where are we? Where's my mom? I need my mom. Where is she? I don't see her. All I see is darkness and you guys. It's no use. You might as well just die here. That was a really bad nightmare. It wasn't a nightmare? What time? What time is it? How are we supposed to know what time is it? I feel like if it was like 2 weeks since this all happened. Oh my. Us humans are the only ones left. Just gonna go to sleep again. Ah! What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh my, I can feel my body now. Where are we? Where are we? Are we coming back to Earth? Yes, we're finally coming back. Where's everyone? Oh, they should come out in a sec. Yeah, they should come out. Oh my. Okay, I see someone. Someone's coming out. Yeah, I see someone. Okay, but oh my, where are we? That's a black hole. Are we? How are I? How are we sure that we're on Earth? Earth was consumed. Earth was consumed by the black hole. Are we? Am I sure? I think I'm dreaming.